In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to form an LLC using ZenBusiness. So watch this video until the end so that you know all the right options for you and your needs. So first, of course, just head over to ZenBusiness.com. You can also click on the link down in the description, which will also take you there. Now from there, you want to go and click Get Started. Then they'll ask for your business details. So what you can do first is enter your business name. From there, you want to select your state, so just select a state from where you are operating. For example, I'll go with Texas. From there, click Continue, and then enter the main contact details for this business, which is your first name, last name, email, and phone number. You can also choose to skip this for now, but I recommend just going to entering it. From there, how much business experience do you have? None, some, or lots. I'll say some and go ahead and click on next. How far along is your business? So if you're just planning for the future, then select that. If you want to launch soon, within 1 to 2 months, select that. If you're already making money, but you haven't really set up your business yet, click already making money. I'll say launching soon. Then what kind of business are you forming? So simply enter your industry. For example, I'll say a clothing brand. Then click next again. Now here you can use ZenBusiness as your registered agent. So this is a state requirement. So you can appoint ZenBusiness and this will cost you $199 per year. You can also appoint someone else, but usually you won't find a much cheaper service. So in this case, I'll just appoint ZenBusiness since it is easy to have it all in one place. From there, they will recommend you a package based on what you entered. So it sounds like you're ready to put your experience to work and make this business official. So in this case, they prepare your filing in 1 business day and submit it to the state. They will do the business name availability check, get a professional operating agreement template to help settle disputes, and they will secure your employer identification number so you can open a bank account, hire employees, and more. And you get very good support. And in this case, I also picked the registered agent service. So this package itself will cost $199 and the registered agent is an annual fee of $199. You also need to pay for the state fees, but the amount that is depends on which state you are forming your business in. So then you will have the overview of your checkout. Now in Texas, the state fees are quite high at $300. In some states, it's less than $100. But just go and click continue. Now enter your business info if you haven't done that yet. And then to finish setting up your account, just select a password. And then click save and continue. Now from there, you can add your payment method. So they have Apple Pay, Google Pay, or credit or debit card. Simply select whichever one you want to do. And from there, go and pay for it. And after you pay for it, if you select the same package that I have, they will then within 1 business day set up your business. So that's really all there is to it. From here, just click on pay. And after doing that, you can then on ZenBusiness just log into your account and you will then see the status and all the updates and everything like that. And that is really all there is to it. So that's how to form an LLC with ZenBusiness. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.